Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. This is Kelsey, and welcome back to Kelsey, Eric, and Kaden. We're soon going to change the name, because that's a very long name, and I'm out of breath because of that. Today I'm going to be making slime. When I got this out of the shed, it was frozen, so I melted it in the microwave. Also, guys, do not do that at home. I had adult supervision, so yeah. It's melted. I hope not that much melted. I think I'm going to add a drop of water. And what I'm going to be using today is glue, the bowl, a spoon, this activator, Arm & Hammer detergent, and pigment. So, yeah. Sorry if you guys can't see me. I'm going to pour this water over something hard so it doesn't get on the rug. Okay. So you have the little lid filled with water to put in here to mix up so the glue can come out easier. That's the trick. If you're running out of glue and you need it to come out easier, just do this trick. Okay. I think we should be good. Yeah, we're good. Hopefully it's not too big. There's nothing coming out. I might need more. There still is a lot left. I have to just go with the big guns. It's fully glueless. So now we got this, and now we're just going to go right in with this glue. Sorry about the background noise. My siblings are going crazy. Okay, so now it's time. There's not much to do, but that's what we can get out of it. I think we're going to add in the pigment before we add in the activator so it's easier. Today I'm going to be making a purple slime. And then add in a little silver. So I have two palettes. They both have purple, so that's good. I want to try and get it with the glue. And also the silver and the purples are next to each other, so that makes it better. Except for this one silver all the way across. It's near the yellow. Okay. Okay, so I have in everything. Now I'm going to add in the activator. I don't know how much, but I raised it. Hopefully it will work. Riley, shush! I'm doing a video, I told you! Okay. I overheard their plan. They're trying to ruin my video. They can't do that. Yeah. So there's only one round. The round with Eric yesterday, there were 3 because we had enough glue. This is the glue bottle that we were using yesterday until we get another bottle. Then when we get the big jug, we can probably actually make 5 rounds. Okay. So I used all this bottle. Okay. There's so much. Okay, so I'm adding in more of the color. Because it's such a light purple, I was trying to get a dark purple, but I don't have purple paint. I think we're going to take you guys to get more activator. Guys, I said shut! Please! I told you what they're trying to do is just... Okay, there's a lot less than this one. This one's the same, just a different color bottom. Good part is Arm & Hammer. Actually not. I don't want to lie to you guys. I had an activator, Arm & Hammer activator from yesterday because on one of the rounds I made an Arm & Hammer slime and I think he made the game slime. They both turned out pretty well. So I turned out better than his because with his good slime and his bad slime, he mixed them together. Now I'm going in just with one hand just in case if I need to go get more activator. I should have done this in the laundry room because this is still very sticky. Okay. Okay, so guys, I'm soon going to have 5 channels if we start the vlogging channel, and I might do my own channel because some of the videos here I do alone, so I might create my own channel. And then me and Eric vlogs. Oh, and then me and my friend Megan might start a channel when she turns 13. In 2 years. I know I'm jumping ahead, but she was talking about this today. I mean, I was in school, whatever day. But hopefully we have this channel for 2 years, so I can tell you when that happened. I've had this channel. This is like the 2nd year with this channel, but I did this channel alone because I just did that one fish color video. My hand's just ruined. Okay, so this was a fail slime because I used 2 different activators, but I'm going to go get the Arm & Hammer bottle. I feel bad leaving you guys here alone, but I have to just for the video. So I'll be back, guys. I wish I could leave the sand here. So guys, I got Arm & Hammer, the big thing. I'm not allowed to use this in case. So I'm not allowed to use this unless it's like urgent need. Okay, that's a lot. Hopefully it will create our slime. Okay, so our slime's still a big blob. And it was just a wasted activator. Yeah, now it's just like liquid. I would probably have to keep mixing this. Should I add in water? I want to add in something that's like liquid to see how that would do. But I don't know how that would go. Okay. I think I will add in something that's a liquid, solid. But I don't have anything. Shoot. Did anything come up in the bottom? Ooh, something's coming out. So, this is a slime look. Oh. So yeah, here, let me just give you a quick little view of it. I'm sorry if I got covered. So yeah, there you guys go. There's the trash slime. That was an epic fail. I think I'm going to dump this in the sewage thing. So guys, that's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Bye!